Louisville, Kentucky's largest city, was founded on the Ohio River in 1778 and named after French King Louis XVI. The annual Kentucky Derby horse race, held at Churchill Downs on the first Saturday in May, draws hundreds of thousands of visitors who descend on the city for this single event. On the same day, you can sip some of the world's finest spirits along the urban Bourbon Trail, visit landmarks honoring some of history's most influential figures like Muhammad Ali, and dine at award-winning restaurants. Louisville is a city with a rich history and many fantastic museums to expand your knowledge. Some are either walking distance or a short ride away from the Louisville Bourbon Inn. Other old historic homes can be toured, as well as new and interesting art, historic crafts, and information about the Louisville Slugger Bath, Churchill Downs, and Muhammad Ali's contributions to humanity. The 45-block-old Louisville district is the largest Victorian architecture district in the United States, with stately mansions dating from 1880 to 1910. Central Park, designed by Frederick Law Olmsted, is also located here. Highlands Louisville Entertainment District is packed with nightclubs, whiskey bars, and restaurants. It's located along 3 miles of Bardstown Road and is well worth a visit. You can see a movie at Baxter Avenue Filmworks or eat delicious stone-baked pizza at Mellow Mushroom before relaxing with a beer or bourbon at the Highlands Tap Room, which has a large beer garden. Louisville's dining scene features both international fare and upscale cuisine, with over 2,500 restaurants, including several James Beard Award nominees. There are, however, a few regional specialties to try in order to get a true taste of Louisville. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Since 1875, the Kentucky Derby has been held on the first Saturday in May at the legendary Churchill Downs racetrack. This horse race is one of the most famous in the world, with one of the largest purses. More than 150,000 people attend the event, and the energy and enthusiasm of the crowd is an important part of the experience. The event is also known as a fashion show, and attendees are encouraged to dress up for the occasion, including wearing flamboyant hats. Many locations in Louisville and the surrounding state host Derby Day parties for those who are unable to attend on race day. Louisville is one of only 6 American cities with full-time paid opera, ballet, symphony, and theater companies. Louisville frequently hosts a Broadway series Season of Plays, in addition to performances by local groups. Louisville is a food lover's paradise. The local food scene, which is brimming with independent restaurateurs, will not disappoint, from fine dining to that one-of-a-kind hole in the wall. There are several restaurants within walking distance or a short ride from the inn. One of Louisville's best attractions is a 370,000 square meter cavern on Taylor Avenue in the city's southeast. This underground cave, which was once a limestone mine, has been transformed into an adventure park, complete with zip lines, obstacle courses, tram rides, and mountain bike trails. In fact, cyclists must contend with over 12 miles of trails, making it the world's largest indoor cycling park.